Let's draw tympanic membrane of the right ear. So this is the pars flaccida. This is the pars tensa. This is the anterior side and this is the posterior side. So on the anterior side, this is the anterior malleolar fold. This is the posterior malleolar fold. This is the lateral process of malleus. This is the handle of malleus and this is umbo. So this is the anterior malleolar fold. This is the posterior malleolar fold. In the middle, there is the lateral process of malleus. This is the handle of malleus. This is the umbo. This is the anterior side. This is the anterior side. So this is the anterior superior quadrant. This is the anterior inferior quadrant. In the anterior inferior quadrant, there is the cone of light. This is the annulus. And here we can see this in the posterior superior quadrant. Long cross of, we can see the shadow of long cross of incus. Long cross of incus. And the shadow of incudostapedial joint. This is the incudostapedial joint shadow. And in the posterior inferior quadrant, we can see this is the shadow of round window. So this is the right tympanic membrane. So we can see this pars flaccida. This is the pars flaccida. This is the pars tensa. This side is the anterior, so anterior malleolar fold. This is the posterior malleolar fold. And making this is the lateral process of malleus. This is the lateral process of malleus. This is the handle of malleus and this is the umbo. Lateral process of malleus, handle of malleus and umbo. This is the annulus, and in the posterior anterior quadrant we can see the posterior superior quadrant. We can see the shadow of long cross of incus, and the posterior inferior quadrant we can see the shadow of round window. So this is the tympanic membrane. We can see this handle of malleus, anterior malleolar fold, posterior malleolar fold. This is the pars flaccida, umbo. Here is the lateral process of the malleus. This is the pars tensa. We can see the cone of light and annular tympanicus.